In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Google Ads support. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go inside your account, how to reach a real person, and what to include in your message to get help faster. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Google Ads. This is the quickest route if you don't have the URL handy. In the results, look for the official Google Ads website. It should be the listing that clearly indicates it's Google's advertising platform. When you click through, you'll land on the main Google Ads page. Next, sign in. Click the Sign In button and use the Google account that owns or manages the ads you need help with. If you manage multiple accounts, confirm you're in the correct one before moving on. You can switch profiles in the top right corner if necessary. Being in the right account ensures support sees the correct data and can assist more quickly. Once you're in the Google Ads interface, look to the top right corner for the Help icon. It's the small question mark. Click it to open the Quick Help sidebar. This panel is your starting point for finding answers and contacting support. At the bottom of the Quick Help sidebar, select Contact Us. If you don't see it right away, scroll within that sidebar. Google sometimes shows suggested help articles first, but the Contact Us option is typically anchored near the bottom so you can reach a person when articles aren't enough. You'll be prompted to briefly describe your issue. Keep it clear and specific. Mention the area you need help with, like billing, policy disapprovals, performance issues, or account access, and include any relevant details, such as the campaign name or the date you first noticed the problem. A concise, factual summary helps route your case correctly. After that, choose your preferred support method. Depending on availability in your region and time of day, you might see live chat, email, or the option to schedule a callback. Chat is great for quick, interactive troubleshooting. Email works well if you need to share more context and don't require an immediate back and forth. A callback lets you speak with someone directly at a time that fits your schedule. If one option isn't visible, try another. Support channels can vary by language, account type, and current volume. Before you wrap up, have your customer ID ready. You'll find it at the top of your Google Ads account. After contacting support, save any case numbers you receive so you can track progress and follow up easily. That's it. You've searched for Google Ads, signed in, opened the Help panel, selected Contact Us, described your issue, and chosen the best way to get support.